For this installation, you'll need a trim tool. We'll open the trunk to make it easier to work on. Insert your trim tool in the outside edge of the light assembly. Push in and pry out that side. You can see how pushing in the clip allows you to pry it free. Remove the assembly and unplug the wire connector. We highlight here where it plugs in and how it fits into the car. Plug in the new assembly and install. Slide in the inside edge first. Push up the outside edge to lock it. Now repeat those steps on the other side. On this side, you'll use your trim tool to pry free the inside edge. With the same technique, push in the clip and pry it free. Unplug the wire connector and plug in the new assembly. Slide in the outside edge first, and then push it up to lock it.